a giant rodent that lets birds sit on its head, befriends crocodiles, sleeps in hot springs, and somehow became the chillest animal on Earth. Capybaras are so relaxed scientists still can't fully explain why almost every animal trusts them instantly. But here's the crazy part. The last fact in this video is so unbelievable people thought the internet made it up. And no, it's completely real. 1. The world's biggest rodent. Most people see a capybara and think, wait, is that a giant guinea pig? And honestly, that's not far from the truth. Capybaras are officially the largest rodents on Earth. Some can grow over 4 feet long and weigh more than 140 pounds. That's heavier than many adult humans. Imagine seeing a hamster the size of a sofa casually walking near a river. Because technically, that's basically what a capybara is. But unlike rats or mice, capybaras have an extremely calm personality. They rarely panic, rarely fight, and somehow always look like they've reached inner peace. Scientists believe their social behavior helped them survive in dangerous environments full of predators. Instead of wasting energy being aggressive, they stay relaxed and alert together in groups. And weirdly enough, that strategy worked. 2. Every animal loves them. Here's where things start getting weird. Capybaras have become famous online because almost every animal seems comfortable around them. Cats sleep on them. Birds ride them. Monkeys use them like furniture. Even predators sometimes ignore them. And yes, there are real photos of crocodiles chilling next to capybaras without attacking. That sounds impossible. But capybaras are incredibly good at reading social signals. They almost never act threatening. No sudden movements. No aggressive body language. No panic energy. In the animal world, that matters a lot. Some researchers think capybaras create a safe presence around other animals. Basically, the animal version of, that guy seems cool. And honestly, the internet completely fell in love with them because of it. They can stay underwater for 5 minutes. Now this part feels straight out of a survival movie. Capybaras are excellent swimmers. Not just good, excellent. Their eyes, ears, and nose sit near the top of their head, so they can stay mostly underwater while watching for danger. And when predators appear, they vanish into rivers almost instantly. Some capybaras can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. That's longer than many humans. Imagine a jaguar chasing you, and you casually disappear underwater like a furry submarine. Even baby capybaras learn swimming extremely early. Water is basically their safe zone. Without rivers and lakes, capybaras would struggle to survive in the wild. Or their teeth never stop growing. This next fact sounds terrifying. Capybara teeth never stop growing, ever. Just like beavers and rats, their teeth constantly extend throughout their life. So if they stop chewing grass, bark, or plants, their teeth could become dangerously overgrown. That means capybaras spend huge amounts of time eating, not because they're greedy, because their survival literally depends on it. Nature basically said, congratulations, your teeth are now a full-time job. And honestly, that explains why capybaras always look busy chewing something. 5. They make weird sounds. Most people expect giant rodents to squeak, but capybaras sound completely chaotic. They whistle, bark, click, purr, chirp, and sometimes sound like broken car alarms. Their communication system is surprisingly advanced. Different sounds can warn about predators called babies or communicate emotions. Baby capybaras especially make constant squeaking noises to stay connected with their mothers. And when a whole group starts making sounds together, it becomes a very strange jungle concert. And trust me, the final capybara fact gets even crazier, because one country once classified them as fish. Yes, fish. Stay until the end. 6, they eat their own poop. Okay, this is gross, but also scientifically genius. Capybaras sometimes eat their own poop. Why? Because grass is difficult to digest. Their digestive system needs a second pass to absorb enough nutrients. So they basically recycle partially digested food. It may sound disgusting to humans, but many herbivores do similar things to survive. Nature can be adorable and horrifying. At the exact same time, 7. Baby capybaras can run hours after birth. Most newborn animals are helpless. Baby capybaras? Not really. Within just a few hours after birth, they can walk, run, and swim. That's incredibly important because predators in South America don't wait politely. Jaguars, caimans, eagles, and snakes all target young capybaras, so babies need to move fast almost immediately. And surprisingly, capybara families work together to protect the young. Multiple mothers sometimes share babysitting duties. Basically, capybaras invented community parenting. Hey, they relax in hot springs. One viral image changed the internet forever. A capybara sitting peacefully inside a hot spring with oranges floating around it. And yes, that's real. In Japan, some zoos and animal parks prepare warm baths for capybaras during winter. And capybaras absolutely love them. They sit there for hours looking more relaxed than exhausted office workers on vacation. The photos became globally famous because honestly, everyone wants that level of peace. 9, they can sleep in water. Here's another survival trick that sounds fake. Capybaras sometimes sleep partially underwater. They keep their noses above the surface while resting. This helps them stay hidden from predators and remain close to escape routes. Imagine taking a nap while floating in a swamp full of crocodiles. That level of confidence is unbelievable. 10. They were once called fish. And now, the weirdest capybara fact of all. Centuries ago, in parts of South America, some Catholic groups classified capybaras as fish. Why? Because they spent so much time in water during periods when eating meat was restricted. People argued capybaras should count as fish instead. And somehow, it was accepted in certain regions. Imagine explaining this to someone. That giant furry rodent? Yeah, fish. This might be one of the strangest food loopholes in history. And honestly, only capybaras could pull this off. Capybaras might look calm and adorable. But the more you learn about them, the stranger they become. A giant rodent, friends with almost every animal, can sleep underwater, and somehow became honorary fish. Nature really created one of the weirdest animals ever. So now I want to know, which capybara fact surprised you the most? And would you actually want a capybara as a pet? Comment below.